In the previous video, I showed you that I was going to remove this old bracket, which holds a ratchet strap, and I'm going to replace it with this new one. Now it's all cleaned up, ready to weld on here. So before you start welding, you want to ground, a good ground. You want to clean up that area. And one more thing is you come over to the battery box and you shut this off. Make sure the batteries are off so it doesn't disrupt your electronics. Then you get your welder set on the proper settings for voltage and wire speed. And you can find that information in here based on the metal, the size of wire, next thing you do is you get this in place here and tack weld it on. Tack weld around it so you get even penetration and it doesn't move on you. Now that we have it tacked all around the perimeter, it's time to continuously seam weld this all the way around it, and that will be about it. Alright, let's get this done. Now that the welding is complete all the way around, all we do is we fit this strap in this groove, and then this pin slides through the loop, and as you turn this, it does its job. Thanks for watching. And again, stay tuned for more welding videos. That's all for today.